is Rochelle Green. This is my week 4 lab video for Biology 240, Anatomy and Physiology 2. This is the video for the lymphatic system. So we're going to briefly explain where a few things are and then a little about how the lymph flows through the body. So first we have the thymus, which is located in the chest here. We have the spleen, which is located back here. It's also attached to the stomach by the splenial ligament. We have the tonsils, are obviously located in our mouths at the back of the throat. And they help catch a lot of our pathogens through throat infections. We have our appendix, which is the lower right quadrant. And obviously it gets infected a lot and has to be removed. It's also a vestigial organ, so we actually don't even need it anymore. We've evolved past needing it. I'm not sure what it did in the first place. Peyer's patches are located in the digestive system, in the duodenum and the jejunum. And cervical lymph nodes just refer to any of the lymph nodes that are in the neck area. And then the same with the axillary lymph nodes. They're located in the armpit area. So a little bit about how the lymph flows through the body. So we have interstitial fluid that is pressed out of our tissues and goes through the capillaries. It flows through the lymphatic capillaries into the lymphatic vessels. And from there, it goes in through the lymph nodes and into the lymph ducts. Sorry, I have a cheat sheet right here. And then it's dumped back into the vascular system in the subclavian veins, so up here in the chest. So it's squeezed out of the tissues, it circulates through the lymphatic vessels, and it basically cleans our body. So it helps us prevent infection. It doesn't have a pump like our heart and our circulatory system, so it moves by small contractions through skeletal and smooth muscle, but mainly through us keeping active and keeping moving and keeping healthy. Then everything keeps moving how it should. It does have valves, one-way valves, so the lymph fluid can't flow backwards, it can only flow forwards. And if we have a buildup or if the lymph stays sedentary, then you can end up with lymphedema, which is a condition and causes swelling. And also if the lymph fluid gets blocked, or if there's an infection, it can get blocked and cause more swelling. And this can be an indication of a medical condition such as cancer, or like when we get sick and our cervical lymph nodes start to swell or feel tender, that's an indication that we have a cold or sore throat or some kind of infection stuck in there essentially. So I hope that was a good brief description of the lymph system, and